Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. Today I will be sharing a technique for making miniature gabion fortifications for tabletop games and dioramas. To make the fortifications I will be using cardboard, chicken wire with a hole size of 6mm by 6mm, ruler, a long tough ruler is preferable, pencil, glue, precision cutter, scissors, a multi-tool, pliers, mud coyote paint, and sand ground paint. So, let's get started. The first thing I need to do is to make a cardboard box. I'm aiming for a box with dimensions of 3 cm by 3 cm by 6 cm. I'm drawing the outlines of the box on the cardboard so that I can cut it and bend it properly. Bending the cardboard is easier and more precise along the side of a hard metal ruler. Now that I have applied the glue, I need to wait for it to dry. In the meantime, I can cut and shape the chicken wire. First things first, I'm wearing protective goggles, because cutting off small pieces of metal with the precision cutter sends them flying around. The cardboard box needs to fit inside the chicken wire mesh vertically, so I need to make sure that I'm cutting a piece with the right size. 4 walls of 3 cm by 6 cm translates to 4 times 5 squares by 10 squares, or a single piece of 20 squares by 10 squares. Additionally, I'm leaving pointy bits on one of the 10 square sides. This will allow me to close the mesh when I'm finished. Cleaning the tiny metal pieces is easier with a magnet. I can just run it around the workbench and it will collect them all. Now that the glue is dry, I can spray paint the cardboard box. While I'm waiting for the paint to dry, I'm bending the chicken wire piece into shape. Just as with the cardboard, using a hard metal ruler helps with the bending. Time to apply the sand ground paint. Finally, it's time to assemble the fortification. With more of these, I can make a whole wall. So, this was all for today. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel so that you may be informed when a new video becomes available. As always, thank you for watching.